Hey everybody, Will Fix here. Going to cover a couple topics tonight. By the way, watch the comments. A lot of stuff going on there, and check out my links in the description. There's Decent Wallet and 3commas.com, as well as tokenized property with Lofty.ai. By the way, man, huge response on the Lofty. I've had 120 some odd people sign up and purchasing tokenized property. So fantastic. So keep it up. If you like this kind of content about XRP, XLM, several other utility coins, and then how to make money with them, then give me a thumbs up and like and subscribe. I sure would appreciate it. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about, there's a couple things, but the first thing I wanted to talk about was many people doing some price prediction using charts, which is a great way to do some price predictions. However, that's going to leave out institutional money pretty much. It's pretty much just the way emotions are reacting when people use MACD, the RSI, they use momentum, the 200-day moving average, they use patterns, a bull flag, a bear flag, a rising wedge, descending wedge, head and shoulders. All the different patterns can start to predict some price. Now here's where that's good for us. I believe that the charts are showing us that we're going to get that we'll break through $1 before the end of the year. So you go, well, that's only $1. Yeah, and that's only us going with retail and investors and following Bitcoin. So one thing I wanted to mention about Bitcoin, my personal belief about Bitcoin is its days are numbered. But I want to say this. Are you more interested in the big numbers, like it going to 70, 80, 90,000, talking Bitcoin? It's somewhere around 40 now, or 39. Or are you more interested in multiple times, multiple X, like a 5X? Because I don't see more than a 3X out of Bitcoin anytime here soon. Some people may see more than that. But I figured $40,000, $80,000, $120,000 Bitcoin. So 3X, okay. So all the other coins follow Bitcoin, right? You ever seen the charts? You'll look at the charts and you'll see all the coins, a lot of the coins will have the same pattern. Well, that being so, wouldn't you expect XRP is going to follow the bull run, isn't it? It's going to follow and probably give you the same amount of multiples, probably. It's a likelihood, isn't it? That if it's at 60 cents, then it goes to 120. If Bitcoin goes from 40 to 80, we can surmise that those will keep about the same. So then we would be at what, $1.80. Well, then there's XRP will also have its own world in those numbers, won't it? Because we have some white swan events that might take place with settlement. What if we get settlement with XRP during a bull run? So I just wanted to mention that chart reading's good for retail investment, but it's probably not going to anticipate what's going to happen with institutional money. Then I wanted to say, are we more interested in 3X, 4X, 5X? What about a 10X coin? Now, a lot of people believe that the smaller the number, the fraction of it, if you start with a fraction of a penny, that it's easier to go up. That might be true. And probably what's happening is it's in the minds of people. In the minds of people, it's easier if you're a fraction of a penny to get to a penny because they think it's just a penny. But really, if you look at how many times something's going to double, that's the bigger interest in making money. Because if you put $1,000 in Bitcoin and it doubles, you have $2,000. If you put 1,000, and it's at 40,000 a coin. Let's say Bitcoin's at 40,000. Put 1,000 in Bitcoin and it goes to 80,000. You got $2,000. If you put $1,000 in XLM at 12 cents, you'll have, and it goes to 24 cents, you'll have $2,000, the same. So 24 cents is the same amount as 80,000 in respect to your $1,000 doubling. So then the question is, well, why bring that up? Well, what coin do you think, put in the comments, what coin you think will have more X's, more times doubling? I am a proponent, you may agree with me, so I don't mean to seed your response, by saying this, but I believe XLM is going to be one that's going to multiply many times. Now, it follows XRP, but it also has its own life outside of XRP, and just like XRP does. So they may do the same, they may both do exactly the same as far as times 10 or times 20 or whatever, whatever the case may be. But in consideration of choosing coins, sometimes one of the factors to look at in what price it's going to go to is how many times of a return is that. I like XDC. I like HBAR. Some of these that are 5 and 6 cents, it's easy to see those to go to $1, isn't it? They go to $1. Well, that's a lot bigger than if Bitcoin goes to $1. I mean, Bitcoin, if XRP goes to $1. So I wanted us to think about that. Also, I wanted to do a video. Maybe I'll do a separate video because right now I'm at about 7 minutes, and I try to keep these between 8 and 10 minutes long. Oh, and lofty.com, huge response there. No, I'm sorry, it's lofty.ai. I had over 120 of you respond on that, sign up, and started buying tokenized property. So good going for you there. I've also had a big response on the 3commas.com. I'm going to go more into that. I'll probably do just a video and just show everybody what I got in it, how much it makes me, how it works. It's a pretty good thing. So check out the links in the description. I hope you like and subscribe. Y'all have a good night.